Hello student, let's draw another 3D CAD model. Okay, so we have to apply the material steel and we have to measure record surface area also and also create at least two views with dimensions. So now you can see here the 40 diameter, 60 diameter inside circle and its height is 60. So again we have to draw this portion. Okay, so it is 75 apart and this radius is 10. That means diameter 20 and this diameter is 46 and it is this part is attached to this. So let's draw this sketch. Select the top plane, do normal to sketch plane. So here I'm going to draw a circle, give the dimensions. So its diameter is 40 and this diameter is 60. Okay, extrude them. On this the distance is 60. Okay, next sketch. Again on this top plane we have to go to sketch, view normal to sketch plane. So here we are going to draw circles of diameter 10, of diameter say this is 20 and diameter 46, and from this its center this distance is 75. Draw the line, one horizontal line, again line, again one horizontal line, make it tangent, this to this edge, this to this edge. Okay, again draw one circle, its dimension is 60. Now trim this, trim the unwanted. So this is not required, this is not required, this is also not required. So this is one side sketch. So if you see another side, so it is okay, from this distance is 60 and this distance is 15, that means 75. So let's draw the 75 also. So rectangle, give the dimension say 75 and this distance is say 60 and it is symmetric. This edge is symmetric about this edge. Then circle, or we can say arc. So trim it. Okay, view normal to sketch plane. I will draw one circle here. Now trim it. Done. Now here extrude, select this surface. So what is the extrude? Say 15 mm. So I will say 15 mm. Apply. Next again extrude. In this case Control Z. Okay, so this is done. So extrude, show sketch. So this, okay. So here I am going to select the uh, offset. Okay, so here you can see this, you can provide offset to this from this. So this is total is 60, so from bottom it is 15 apart and this thickness is 15. So its thickness is 15 and from bottom it is 15 apart. So that is also the another way to draw it. Next is the sketch. Okay, so on this plane view, sketch, normal to sketch plane. So here rectangle, again rectangle, then circle. Now give the dimension to this, it is 60. Distance between this and this, it is 10, and from this the distance is 5, and from this the distance is say 15. Trim the unwanted edges. So this is not required, this is not required, again this is not required. Next, done. Say extrude. Okay, up to, so this is 30, extrude up to 30, so its height will be matched. Next is that we have the hole on these faces. Sketch, view normal to sketch plane. Okay, cancel. So what we are going to do, sketch, view normal to sketch plane, this plane. So we have the holes, circular holes. Okay, dimensions. So its dimension is 15 diameter. Its dimension is also 15 diameter. So it is 15 apart. This is also 15 apart, and distance between these two is 35, and distance between from next both are the symmetric. This and this is symmetric about this. Now let's check the distance, 35. Okay, now this is done. Then extrude, remove. Okay, done. Next is we have to provide the rip to this. Sketch, view normal to sketch plane, line, vertical line, then horizontal line, then horizontal line, and from this to this. So give the dimensions, this and this distance is 30, then this and this distance is 0, and say coincident, this corner should be coincident with this corner, and say what is the 25 apart. So dimension this, (25 mm). Next is trim. This we have to trim it. Done. Now so here we have to provide the extrude. So best way is, now if you provide the extrude, so you can see here. So what is the problem? It is not the properly extruded. It will left the some portion. So we will cancel it. So best way is, instead of drawing this sketch, okay, you can draw a sketch on this plane. View normal to sketch plane. So here I'm going to draw here sketch. Okay, so this is the now. So distance of this from this, the 30 plus 25, so 55. Okay, and the thickness is 10 mm, and from this the distance of 5 mm, and circle. So because if we do only extrude, it will not be sufficient for us with triangular. Give the dimensions, say 60, trim it. Done. Say extrude, select this opposite direction. Here you can say up to face, up to next, so it will complete it. Now here you have to draw the sketch on this plane. View normal to sketch plane. So here we are going to do the, from this edge up to this, then up to this, up to this. Okay, extrude. Now here you have to do the remove this surface. Now this is properly extruded. Okay, so this diagram is completed. If I say the isometric view, it will show us the object like this. So let's apply the material to this. Assign material. Say from this we are going to assign the stainless steel A2. Say apply. Here measure the surface area. You can select this. It will measure all surface area. Next is, you can export this to the create drawing part. 4 views. Okay, Here you can apply the dimension to each and every part. Okay, so here you can apply the dimensions. Okay, so in this way we have completed all the drawings. Thank you.